At more than 11,000 feet, where the whistling winds and the holy sounds echo. Where temperature and oxygen levels fall greatly. These giant snow-covered mountains of Ladakh welcome you to the frozen winter trail, Chadar. So here I am, Akash, along with Donald, all set to explore one of the toughest treks in the world. Chadar, here we come. Meet the Zanskar River, a companion for the rest of our journey. It loves playing hide and seek and vanishes under a thin layer of ice on the way, but soon comes back to the surface by creating a soulful music with its waves. Truly a fun companion to be with, just like my sleek and pocket-friendly Oppo F15. Chadar has a variety of landscapes that keep on changing with every curve, and every landscape is spellbindingly beautiful. I'm glad I could capture all the details like a pro without any additional equipment. This place just doesn't get tired of surprising us. Look at this amazing view. You just can't find an end to these huge wide mountain ranges. Finding life in this region is tough, but finding an entire village with such warm people is a blessing. A much required pit stop after traveling for miles non-stop. This quick refill should keep us charged for our remaining journey. The extreme weather conditions here are tough for us to survive. But there are more than 1,000 species of flora in this region that blossom even in these conditions. And of course, the Sangam, where our partner on this journey, Zanskar, will part from us and merge with Indus to travel along further from here. The more we traveled in this region, the more the sense of belonging to this place grew within us. It was truly a transforming experience with a lot of memories and learnings to take back. Exploring the enchanting Chadar trek is how we flaunted our way with Oppo F15. Let's see how you flaunt it your way.